it. Literally days.
Growing good.
It's springtime. Today is Sunday. The weather's so good. My plum is going wild. I hope you have a nice day. The weather is very nice, around 60. Will go up to 75 in California. I just did my garden down here. Arrange some succulent garden. I see the space is just empty. And I make a little fairy house here. This is all my cactus and succulent. That guy need to be taken out. He like too tall. So many cactus and succulent. It's a part of my collection. But we are moving to, we plan to move to live in another country, so we want to sell all of this. I'm gonna be sad, but you know where I'm living, it's gonna be a lots of plant too, especially cheap tropical plant. But succulent maybe could be rare, could be expensive if you got the good one. So I will be sad. But anyway, just want to show what I have right now. It's a lot of work. It's my garden. You know, it's only take about 2 years for them to be very nice and take place. Like this red lantern, it's going crazy. 1 year they produce about 3 to 4 times flowers. The flowering, and then this one too. This one probably pink, and I have the tiger one, which is two-tone, but I gave it away, and probably the owner accidentally killed it already. I feel so sad. But anyway, look at this one. So they love to stay together like this. My monstera I got like about 4 years ago. They get so big. I got this off eBay. Imagine you bought monstera